Loose duct connections can affect ventilation installation and sealing performance in underground spaces. For HVAC duct manufacturers, duct end shape, flange consistency, and connection fit are key concerns. This HVAC spiral duct end flange making machine is designed for spiral duct end forming and ventilation duct connection preparation. The spiral duct end is positioned and guided into the forming area before flange shaping. The forming unit shapes the duct end flange, helping prepare a better connection edge for later installation. From machine operation to finished duct ends, buyers can clearly check the forming process and flange result. A well-formed duct end flange helps improve duct connection preparation for ventilation system assembly. It can be used for underground parking ventilation, tunnel ventilation, basement ventilation, subway ventilation, and utility tunnel air duct systems. The machine can be configured according to duct diameter, flange size, material thickness, and production capacity. With 30 years of experience in machinery equipment, Bobo helps customers build suitable duct flange forming solutions. Our team will recommend a suitable solution for your ventilation duct production needs. Contact us for a custom solution.